Actually, scratch that. Don't put that clip in here. Change my mind.
Edit that and make it look
What's up, guys? My name's Hey Dang Son. Fuel, oil, and piss.
Broadcast. Today we're doing off-road.
Yeah, we're doing stupid.
God bless America. God bless Dimple Dice. Swiss cheese, bro.
Swiss cheese.
Spit on it, bro. Oh. No, turn it off.
How's it going? Did you fart? Did you stink? God damn it. So Carlton's on his way home. He has not got to see the car yet. There it is.
What's up?
Tell the tubes what we're doing.
Putting in my seat.
Why?
My seat. So I can sit in it.
Sorry about the weed eater in the background. It's my homie Juan. He does my lawn. Here's your pry bar and your lube, buddy. Don't take that to your room later, please.
Yep, it's recording.
God damn it.
Do you want to be on YouTube? Yeah. Do you like Mustangs? Yeah.
Don't let anybody
No.
Don't let anybody recognize you. Don't let anybody recognize you.
No. That doesn't go on. That doesn't go on YouTube. That doesn't go on YouTube.
Cut that one out.
Like that. What up, YouTube?
Shakes me out of the booty.
Oh, racing everything. Unreal.
Okay, sticking it through the hole. Cat everywhere. God, dude. All over the ground. Make sure you don't step on that on your way out to work in the morning.
What is wrong?
Freezing cold. I got cat hands, dude.
Yeah. Don't you wish you were working out in the shop?
My motherfucking gloves on. My motherfucking gloves on.
All right, cheers, boys. Hey, mimosas. No way, the engine's already halfway out.
I'm a wild one, keep me when that danger comes.
It's that easy.
I'm an angel son, mama, look what I become.
No gifts for Valentine's Day.
Never run away from things in front of me.
You're a booty, dude.
I want
Juicy cheeks.
wild one. You when that danger comes.
Double A around.
Angel son, mama, look what I become.
That's it? That's your
More. Keep going.
How's it coming out?
Yes, sir. Excited? Excited?
Let's get it.
That's our editor. Trevor, are you excited?
I am. I'm here.
All right. It's all good. It's all good.
Shit for my soul. If you ain't here, play it backwards, yeah. If you ain't see it, look faster, yeah. If you ain't feel it,
Oh, so what? Damn, dude.
Hit the boy.
That would have been great if you would have hit it.
It's all in the hips.
And this is the edition Simon Takeover Skidiots. What is going on, guys? We're here at Park. This man right here, I try to climb him. I can't climb this mountain. I'm having a great time. It is awesome out here. I love the people. I love this guy right here.
Yes.
We vibed. I mean, it's hard to find people like me, and I envy him because I see me and him a whole lot. And I'm not being cocky. I'm just being honest.
Yes.
100%.
I appreciate that.
Love you guys. Love you guys.
you too, bro.
I had to take a little just a second.
What did you do to Tori?
Oh, I gave Tori a little bump. You know, we were going through a transition, surged up, tried to get back on his bumper, and just give him a little love tap.
Touched his butt.
Touch the butt. Trevor and I, we got the old shit bike.
Hill climb right now. Hill climb.
Still climbing.
Oh no! You alright, buddy?
You got that on video, too.
Let me see your face. Oh, bud.
Why is this license good?
Okay, it must not be
brand new
It must not be brand new. That's how you find out.
Hey, it's brand new to him.
This is a used. Joe, I want you a cigarette too. And I don't even smoke. Joe, thank you for your help.
Oh, I know.
Jonathan, thank you for your help.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Donnie, thank you guys.
No problem.
Couldn't do it without you guys, all three of you. Thank you for your help, Mom. Couldn't do it without you either. Kayla, thank you for your help. Jess, Dad, we're back rolling.
So you might want to beep out our videos like this one, because Tori's a fucking idiot. He's a fucking dumbass.
Hey, you, dude.
And he started Pokemon card collecting.
New hobby.
This dude just bought a mystery pack. A mystery pack.
I wanna be the very best.
A few moments later.
Yeah. 1 hour later.
Just the other day, I saw these two fine bitches, they were walking my way. Yo, what
Put that on there.
Colin, now, insert friggin' single, ready to mingle.
And then I want the
Car fabricator, Carlton McDonald.
I want the Tinder logo.
And at Carlton McDonald,
Animate it and swipe left because
boom, done. Is that like a two-stroke? Yeah, I'm gonna get to work stroking that thing off. You can see, get down onto his car, and I have to clean all that up for him because I feel bad now. The whole Maxwell Motorsports kit, like I said. Look at that, gator skin, dude.
Gator don't play no.
No real updates for your car, is there?
Nope.
Okay, no updates for Carlton's car. Still no motor. You can see behind us, there is an update with that. I hope they can see it.
Cars sold. Four cars. Ended up with one.
90% of the time, I have no idea what the I'm talking about.
We went on vacation,
We did go on vacation.
so we were gone for a week there.
Where do you hang on?
Your hopes and dreams.
Oh,
What?
You ever seen a squirter before?
Yeah, dude. Show me. Oh! What did he had to leave because his chili dog wasn't sitting well. Said he had to go to the bathroom. His chili dog wasn't sitting. Carlton's loving this, dude. Carlton's loving this. The stick welder's here because he had to go take a shit. Because his chili dog wasn't sitting well. Oh man, you can't make this shit up, huh? Nope. How happy are you right now?
Let's walk out here. Let's see what we're about to go do.
What happened?
Well, some kid ass redneck couldn't weld the stick weld in the goddamn tow hitch on the car. Goes to put it on and it breaks.
You can hear the track over there. That's how close we are to drifting. Right now it's Friday night and there's drifting going on.
Yeah. We should be over there,
we
huh?
should be over there. Well, he bought a chili dog.
He pooped his pants because he ate a chili dog from the gas station, dude.
Thanks, Jace, for letting us borrow your pile of shit.